Nasty Trey is back. Twitter goes gaga over Trey Songz' 2 surprise albums. Trey Songz is back and he's nasty AF. The US crooner caused chaos on Twitter after her pulled a Beyonce and dropped not 1, but 2 surprise mixtapes that had tweeps feeling loved up. Everyone knows that in Mzansi we have music for every kind of mood, and with the festive season just around the corner everyone's in the mood for Gam to properly get ratchet on the dance floor right before we eat a bala. But it looks like Trey also has additional plans for all of us, because 2 minutes after his project, titled 11.28 dropped, Twitter was out here revealing their nasty sides. Looks like it's baby making a clock. How nice of Trey to gift the world with a prezi on his birthday. The surprise was pleasantly received on the social media streets.
Yeah.